Hi, I'm Joe. Macchou is not here yet. World Food Tour Day 3. Today I'm making Scottish Macaroni Pie. By the way, this video isn't really a recipe tutorial. Full recipe details are in the description below. Just cooking, eating, and having fun with food from around the world. And I love for you to enjoy that journey with me. I heard about a famous shop in Scotland called Pie Maker, and I really want to try their macaroni pie, so I decided to make it myself. Okay, let's boil the macaroni. If I got anything wrong about Pie Maker, please tell me in the comments. I'm currently on a world food tour this month, traveling the world and coming back to Japan at the end. Why did I start from Scotland? Yelmo23 from Scotland is my very first viewer to join my live stream. That moment moved me so much that the next day I made Scotch Pie. So it felt right to start the tour from Scotland. Day 1, Scotch Broth. Day 2, Cranachan. Both are up as short videos. Check them out. Before this world tour started, I received a request for Azerbaijan Three Sisters Dolma and got so many wonderful comments. I'm planning to include Azerbaijan along the journey too. I talked a little too much. Okay, let's get back to cooking quietly. Melting butter and the flour together. Adding milk little by little. Adding cheese. Salt, black pepper, and garlic paste. Add the macaroni, the filling is done. Press the pastry into the round mold. Fill with the macaroni cheese. By the way, I'm changing my channel name today, Joe Macchou Cook, to Joe Cooks the World. I cook the world's food right from my tiny Japanese kitchen. Macchou has been staying away from the kitchen lately, and I think the new name makes it clear what this channel is about. Thank you for being here from the beginning. This channel keeps growing because of you. Okay, let's finish this up. Into the air fryer. done. I know this is probably nothing like the real thing back in Scotland, but honestly, it is so delicious. Someday I really hope I can travel to all of your places and taste the real thing for myself. That's my dream. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Leave your request in the comments. I'd love to cook your dish next. Your warm comments always make me so happy. Thank you so much. See you in the next short, long video or live. Whoa.